Today we're going to show you how to use C2C Lending or borrow and lend your cryptocurrency. First off, go to C2C Lending. Select the cryptocurrency you like to loan or lend. For this moment, we're going to use USTD. Input the daily rate, the loan amount, and then click C2C Loan. You must have available 10 USTD to loan out. Also, you can use BTC to loan. It's the same process. Next up, let's go to borrow. Borrow is when you need additional capital. So you select the cryptocurrency you want to borrow to get additional capital, select borrow, then the borrowing amount, and hit borrow USTD for USTD. That's it. It's very simple. And right now we have 50% off all fees. So you get discounted fees, you get to earn while you hodl and get additional capital at very, very low fees. Again, one thing to take into consideration is when you're lending your cryptocurrency out and someone has a position that's risk rate is below 110%, the position will get liquidated to ensure your loan is actually given back to you. So why wouldn't you use this product? It's a great one. We'll see you next time, Huobi Nation. Thanks for listening. Have a great day. Bye-bye.